Hey everyone, I am Raghain. I would like to show you how to get started with indexing using FamilySearch.org of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. Ready? Okay, to start, type in the search bar FamilySearch.org. If you have an account already, click Sign In. Type your username and password. Click the following tabs: Indexing, Overview, Get Started, Start Indexing, Find Batches. Since I'm a Filipino, I prefer to index this. And then OK. In indexing, you need the following information: name of the husband and wife, their ages, father's name, mother's name, date of marriage. In one batch, there are 10 images that you need to check. If there is no duplicate, it should be yes here, and then proceed to the next image. Okay, let's check. Before we start entering data, we must know some of the icons here on top. Return to web indexing, open quality control, submit batch. Mark the field blank, Control B. If the data is unknown, you can use that. If data is unreadable, you can click this, or you can have Control U. Add entries, delete entries, and here are some of the copy icons. Here is handwriting examples, wherein you can refer some of the handwriting there. Share badge, international characters. The common one here that is usually used is enye. And for more instructions, click this, project instructions, or here. So I'd like to highlight important instructions. Indexing names. Do not correct misspellings or expand abbreviations. Type given names and surnames as they were written. Okay, punctuation is not required. Do not include titles or terms such as Mrs. or Junior in name fields. Include all aliases, nicknames, or variant names or surnames that were given for a person, separating them with the word or. And if you're not sure whether a name is given or a surname, type it all in the given names field. Okay. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Maraming salamat po. Daghang salamat.